Hi, and welcome to our presentation. Me, Leve, Maria, Julia, Henrik, and Edgars are going to be presenting to you today our business plan for our company Organic AS and for Kurt's company. The whole idea of our new company, Organic Stockholding, was to create houses with sustainable solutions at different price ranges. Our constructions are based off of wood, however, they differ based on how much money our clients are willing to pay. The expensive prefabricated wall elements are made out of cross-laminated timber, known as CLT panels, and wood fiber in between. We have a wide variety of cladding such as imported bamboo, wood, zinc, and reused brick links. Our second option is a wall with a stud construction using certified pine wood with wood fiber insulation in between. This is what we decided to include in our second semester project, as we wanted to make the house as affordable as possible. We opted for the bamboo cladding as it is a carbon footprint negative, meaning it actually absorbs CO2 from the air without harming the residents inside. All our products minimize the CO2 emissions and thereby making the construction more sustainable.
Our wall, consisting of wooden studs with insulation in between, has a negative CO2 emission. It was our main focus as we learned more about the effects carbon dioxide has on our planet. Most of the reduction comes from the use of wood fiber insulation. It takes an approx negative 16.8 kilos of CO2 in the span of 120 years from the atmosphere. The option with CLT comes down to a total of negative 12.6 kilos. However, the cheapest solution we are presenting gives us minus 8.6 kilos per 120 years, which is also a great result, leading to a 54% reduced carbon footprint compared to the traditional houses. This number would be then reduced by designing other components of the house in the most sustainable way as well. Other sustainable solution we used in this is the solar panels on the roof, as you can see on the attached images.
The price we ended up with is still allowing us to compete with the biggest Danish companies. In the future, as you can see, we would like to produce quite a large quantity of houses with moderate price range in two variants. Here you can see the price for the house presented, however, as previously said, it would be bigger if the CLT panels with expensive cladding would be taken into consideration. Our main goal, though, was to show that sustainable doesn't have to mean the most expensive and unobtainable. Those solutions are accessible for everyone wanting to purchase a house without having to go a lot over the budget. This way, we could normalize the eco-friendly building practices. We cared about the energy loss, of course, as well. We calculated the U value of the wall and got the number 0.11, which is way below the BR18 demands, 0.3 being the highest number allowed. This means that our construction is not only great because of its CO2 emission, but also performs really well in the daily life. It is fire rated as well, so even though most people associate wood with the possibility of the house catching on fire, it is not a problem in our case.
By giving the client the possibility of choice, we eliminated the monotony and gave the buyer a sense of designing the house themselves, making it stand out from all different prefabricated houses. Our goal was not to be the cheapest on the market, but to be in the middle of leading Danish companies. The structure we worked with is a wall, but it's just a small element of the whole idea. Our goal is to make the whole house passive in the future, resulting in our clients trusting our quality and therefore not mind the price not being so low. We reached the gold certificate so the buyer wouldn't have to pay the taxes associated with the purchasing the house.
Summing it all up, we think our project has a great chance of getting incorporated into everyday life. It is not sophisticated either in the production or the assembling, making it suitable for large groups of recipients. We hope you liked it, and we wish you a great day. Yours sincerely, CEOs of Organic AS.